Díoghuit agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to take 5 words and I'm going to explain to you what the Irish is for these words. Let's have a look at the pictures first. So first up here we have an umbrella, and then we have a snowman, and next then we have camera, and then a watch, and finally a frying pan. So let's look at the first one there, an umbrella. The Irish word for umbrella is scá faringe. Scá faringe. You would use this if it was raining. Ag cur faringe is raining. Ag cur faringe. So, mar hampla. Tá mo scá faringe faoi réir agam. I have my umbrella ready. Tá mo scá faringe faoi réir agam. The next picture we saw then was this one, a picture of a snowman. The Irish word for snowman is fear sneachta. Fear sneachta. Sneachta is snow, and ag cur sneachta is snowing. So, for example, rinnemer fear sneachta. We made a snowman. Rinnemer fear sneachta. Rinne is the past tense of the Irish verb déin, to do or make. A couple of months ago I made a video on that verb, déin. You can check out that video if you'd like. I'll leave a link on the top of the screen there now. You'll see it coming across the top of the screen, and I'll also leave a link in the description. Carcolor on Cade Fuckalella. Alright, the next word, camera. In Irish, it's camera, so it sounds very, very similar. Camera. And phone camera is a camera phone, which of course you would use to take a photograph. Green graph is photograph. Green graph. Tá an phone tar éis áit an camera a ghlacha. The phone has taken over or replaced the camera. Tá an phone tar éis áit an camera a ghlacha. And next we have this, which is a picture of a watch. The Irish word for watch is óradóir. Óradóir. And óradóir cliste is a smartwatch. Óradóir cliste. For me, óradóir ór mar bhrontanas. I got a gold watch as a present. For me, óradóir ór mar bhrontanas. And before we go through the last picture, don't forget to stay tuned to the very end of this video, where I will show you all the pictures again without me saying anything, so you can test yourself to see if you remember. So that brings us to our final picture then, which is this, a frying pan. Fruchtán is the Irish word for a frying pan. Fruchtán. And inside the frying pan you might see that there's an egg by the looks of it. Uv is the Irish word for egg. Uv. And uv ruchta is a fried egg. Uv ruchta. On retoig me uv dit. Will I prepare you or will I do you an egg? On retoig me uv dit. So now let's look at all those pictures again. I'm going to just let the pictures play out here one after the other. And you can test yourself now to see if you remember the Irish word for all these pictures. So here they are. If you would like to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and up on screen you'll see some more similar videos that I've made recently. Gurv Mahagat, agus Tog Gobroge. Thank you, and take it easy.